I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Kamado Joe grills are known for their versatility and superior heat retention, but they can be tricky if you don't know how to use them properly. New owners often face issues that can lead to overdone food, wasted charcoal, and even damage to the grill. Here are the top 12 mistakes that new Kamado Joe owners make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, not cleaning out the charcoal basket before cooking. Old ash and leftover pieces of charcoal will restrict the airflow and make the grill hard to light. Before every grilling session, clean out the charcoal basket and remove small bits of charcoal. Mistake number 2, using the wrong amount of charcoal, too much or too little. Using too much charcoal can cause excessive heat that is difficult to control, while using too little may result in difficulty maintaining the desired temperature throughout cooking. Fill the charcoal basket to the top and stop. If you're doing a long, low, and slow cooking session, mount the charcoal up to within a few inches of the deflector plates. Mistake number 3, using the wrong type of charcoal. Kamado Joe grills work best with high-quality lump charcoal. Charcoal briquettes contain fillers and additives that can produce excessive ash and unwanted flavors. They also don't last long enough for low and slow cooking. Always use lump charcoal for a cleaner burn and better heat control. Mistake number 4, using the last bit of charcoal in the bag. The bottom of the bag often contains small broken pieces of charcoal that restrict airflow and make the grill hard to light. Start each grilling session with fresh, high-quality lump charcoal with pieces at least 2 inches long. Mistake number 5, using too much wood or any wood at all. It's easy to go overboard with wood chunks when trying to add smoky flavor, but too much can be overpowering. Good quality lump charcoal will add a lot of smoky flavor, so wood is often unnecessary. If you do use wood, add it sparingly. Mistake 6, starting with lighter fluid. Lighter fluid can ruin the flavor of the food. Instead, use natural fire starters, a chimney starter, a grill gun, or an electric starter. Mistake 7, not preheating the Kamado Joe before cooking. Preheating your Kamado Joe is essential for achieving even cooking temperatures. Allow at least 30 minutes for the grill to come up to temperature before you begin cooking. Mistake number 8, not waiting for blue smoke. A common mistake is putting food on the grill when thick white smoke is still billowing out, particularly when using wood chunks. White smoke carries bitter compounds that can ruin the taste of your food. Wait for the smoke to turn thin and blue, an indication that the charcoal and wood are burning cleanly. Mistake number 9, using a wire brush to clean the grates. A good grill brush keeps the grates clean. I prefer one with spiral wire like this one over a traditional wire brush like this. A wire brush can shed bristles, and that is dangerous. You don't want broken wire bristles in your food. Mistake number 10, not using a temperature control device like a fireboard. Temperature control is one of the biggest challenges for new Kamado Joe users. A device like the fireboard allows you to monitor and maintain temperatures with precision, and that is critical when cooking low and slow. These devices automate airflow adjustments, making long cooks for things like brisket and pork shoulders easy to control. Take a look at my video for more information on the fireboard. A link is in the description below. Mistake number 11, forgetting to burp the grill. Opening the lid too fast can cause a dangerous backdraft. Burp the grill by opening it slightly first to let out heat safely, then open it fully. Mistake number 12, neglecting regular maintenance. Proper maintenance is essential for keeping your Kamado Joe in top condition. Over time, the gasket can wear down, affecting the grill's ability to seal in heat and smoke. The top vent, thermometer, and latch should also be checked regularly. Having a spare gasket, an extra thermometer, and additional temperature probes on hand can prevent unwanted disruptions. Avoiding these common mistakes will help save you time, avoid frustration, and get the most out of your Kamado Joe. Take the time to care for your Kamado Joe, and it will reward you with years of outstanding performance. I have a new cookbook coming out. Go to my website at amzn.to and sign up to get notified when it becomes available. No spam, I promise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.